In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to GitHub pages in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner looking to deploy your first site or an advanced user configuring your domains, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring everything runs smoothly. First, let's fire up your browser and head over to GitHub. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, all you have to do is navigate directly to your repository. Once you're in your repository, look towards the top of the page and locate the Settings tab. Clicking on this will lead you to a menu on the left sidebar, where you'll find an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the Pages settings page, it's time to configure the custom domain. Locate the section labeled Custom Domain. In the text box provided, type in your GoDaddy domain name. This is the name you purchased from GoDaddy, for example, yourdomain.com. Once you've entered your domain name, remember to click Save. This simple action tells GitHub to create a kname file in your repository's root, which will automatically contain your domain name. This step is critical as it links your GitHub pages to your domain. With this part done, it's time to jump over to GoDaddy. Head to your GoDaddy account and log in. After logging in, navigate to My Products, and from there, click on Domains. Next to the domain you want to connect, you'll see a Manage button. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage DNS. In this DNS settings area, your goal will be to update or add 2 types of DNS records, which are crucial for the connection. Let's start with A records, which work with your Apex domain, the main domain name without the www. Search for any existing A records and update them, ensuring that any A record with the @add host points to GitHub's IP addresses. Now it's time to add 4 specific A records. The values for these 4 A records are 185.199.1108.153, 185.99.9, 153, 185.199, 110.153, and 185.599, 11.153. Each should be set as type A, and name should be set as @sheet. These are GitHub's IP addresses for its pages services, and they ensure your domain points correctly to GitHub. Finally, you'll need to add a sname record for the www subdomain. This step is necessary, especially if you want visitors to reach your site whether or not they type www. For this, you'll create a new sname record where the type is sname, name is www, and the value is your username.github.io. That's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to GitHub pages. With these steps completed, give it some time for the DNS changes to propagate, and soon your domain will be live, hosted by GitHub pages.